Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Dalton, who is, I believe he's riding a bus right now to court, Your Honor.
And here it begins, folks. One of the most classic courtroom excuses. I'm on the bus except this judge. He's heard it all. From blurry boost window photos.
The last we've heard, he was in downtown Ann Arbor 20 minutes ago. It's a slow bus.
He came from Detroit. Let him know he came from Detroit.
The bus has been driving from Detroit, Your Honor. Maybe it ran out of gas.
Maybe you ran out of... What?
He's coming. The bus is coming.
How do I know he's on the bus?
I spoke to him, Your Honor.
Huh?
I spoke to him and he said he was on the bus.
So what do you want me to do? Bench warrant him?
No, Your Honor.
And we can go get him?
If you could please pass this matter for a few.
Okay, so hold on. I went through this almost exact same thing with Cannon. And yes.
To fuel free fantasies. Your alibi starts with a greyhound. You better have receipts. And yes, notice the judge isn't buying it. He's got flashbacks to the last defendant who tried to...
I know, they had pictures all along of him on his bus ride. It was like
so
trees. It was video, it was just trees going by a window on a bus. I don't know if it was on a bus. But at least they gave me pictures. Not you, nothing.
I'll provide photos, Your Honor, in a minute. It's clearly a common problem with buses. If Stephanie had the same issue with her.
Okay, Mackie, when's the last time you got on a bus?
For school, Your Honor. We ride a bus from the parking lot to class. It's like a mile walk.
When's the last time you got on a bus for travel around the city? Or
New York. In New York. Subway, that's even better. Subway.
A subway is different than a bus.
Okay, I've never been on a bus, Your Honor.
I didn't think so. Okay, thank you. I'll pass it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Wow. I've never been on a bus. I know. Don't know why you're trying to fight it. Just say I've never been on a bus. She doesn't even know if it's a slow bus. Says Larzell, Washington. Larzell, Washington.
Good morning, Edward Hughes on behalf of Larzell, Washington.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
Larzell in Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we had referred this over to the recovery court. I spoke with them and they indicated that they've in receipt of all the information to do an intake. However, they have not done that interview. That interview could be completed within the week. Like if we could have a 1-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. bound continued.
Turn a delayed bus into a courtroom drama. Moral of the story, don't bring a bus ticket to a credibility battle. Now, here's a little legal insight. When someone's referred to recovery court,
Court calls case, People versus Marquise Fab.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, please have a word. With all due respect.
I think Mr. Washington would like to address bond.
Excuse me, miss.
Go ahead.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is Larzell near Washington. First and foremost, forgive me about my outbreak last time I was here.
Can I have that file?
Go ahead. Thank you, sir. What happened was, I wasn't aware, as my attorney indicated, what day was my probable cause hearing was. Okay, I went back to the magistrate. They said, no, well, we're gonna let Judge Simpson handle it. Then last time I came here, it was a 2-week hold because they didn't do their job. I feel I shouldn't have to
Who didn't do their job?
What you say? You gave him a plea.
The recovery court?
Well, I didn't ask for no recovery court, but whatever assessment you gave him, it was 2 weeks, and the honorable judge said Okay, well, I'm not going to change his bond. Now, you still didn't indicate I was looking for a bond. And I wasn't even aware of a drug war. So with all due respect, I do appreciate you, but I did, unfortunately, miss my court date.
Right.
I was...
And then how'd you come into custody?
Oh, I came into custody? What? Trying to... being a good Samaritan. Some woman...
It usually means there's a drug-related or mental health issue behind the charge, but delays like this can be costly, especially if someone's stuck behind bars waiting for paperwork. Some woman was being
and they figured out what my name was, and I totally forgot. I really didn't know what court date it was. And I was disciplined for the first, and in discipline, well, not necessarily discipline, you allowed it to, override until they took care of their own situation, but it's not my fault.
Till they who is they?
Would you explain to him?
Well, I think I got to collect more of that story.
Okay, you gave him a piece of paper about assessment along with a plea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I get here today, the assessment got taken care of, right?
You just want them to speed up the process.
No,
I think
not
we gotta...
them. It's not his fault. He's a judge.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to say.
So let me get this straight. He got arrested trying to save a woman from a stalker and forgot his court date. This is either a courtroom plot twist or the world's weirdest superhero origin story. You buying it? And there it is. The judge's sarcasm lands like a gavel. When a defendant plays the blame everyone else card too many times.
I normally work the carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again.
Excuse me one moment. Whose phone is that? It's somebody down there's phone. It's her. Tana's phone? Really? Go ahead, sir.
And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson courtroom again.
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
What was it about?
I think they're going to keep you in.
All right, man. You're fired. God bless you. And thank you, Your Honor.
Why is he fired?
Because he's not speaking up for me. I really don't even know what's going on.
Oh, it would. Okay, so did you understand before you make that final decision about firing him?
Well,
it wouldn't have mattered whether you spoke or he spoke. I'm denying your motion. I've already heard it.
Well, I don't know. Why are you denying the motion?
Times, the courtroom starts treating them like a one-man comedy show. This is what courtroom accountability looks like. You skip court, get picked up, and then demand a PR bond like nothing happened. Judge Simpson's having none of it. Actions have consequences, even when wrapped in long-winded speeches and carnival metaphors.
What's so funny?
Because you appeared here, didn't show up, didn't turn yourself in, got picked up, got brought here.
Yes.
That's how we got you back.
And
so I'm not releasing you now.
The magistrate.
Okay, so
did not release me, and then
that's right.
You didn't release me because
that's right.
You wait for assessment. Am I correct?
And I haven't had the assessment yet.
Exactly. So is it my fault you haven't had the assessment? Is it your fault?
It's my fault? I thought nothing was my fault.
So whose fault is it?
I don't know.
But it's not mine. You do agree?
No, I don't agree.
The assessment, do I?
I don't know whose fault it is. It hasn't happened. I'm done.
Pretty much. God bless you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, keep talking. Why are you up here at my? Why are you at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Next time, Tana, turn your phone up louder when that's going on. Did I call your case?
Yes, you did. You called Mr. Bath, Marquis Bath.
Oh, that was so long ago. You're right. You are right, Miss Cannon. And I usually criticize you for not getting up here on time. And I have to give you credit that you're like early.